The franchise system has been around for a long time in the automotive industry. The way the franchise system works is we are all independent business owners. We own our facilities, we own the vehicles, we own everything inside. We also employ all of our associates in each dealership. The franchise system is a great hybrid model that allows for the strengths that a manufacturer brings to the table around product and research and development, together with local business owners that are entrepreneurs, that hire folks, that have relationships in our communities, and it's worked to be able to sell and service cars now for 98 plus years.
The problem that you have when you don't have a franchise system is that you have the manufacturer trying to get into retail business, which is not their specialty. We want them to focus on making the best possible cars and then allow the dealership, the franchisee, to be able to build the building and specialize in what they do, and that's the customer relationship.
We're the boots on the ground. And so the franchise system for me gives us the opportunity to service a local community in a very, very, very specific manner to their needs and wants.
Consumers benefit from the franchise system in many ways, but one of the key things is around price competition. So I love my fellow Honda dealers, but we compete fiercely every day. We compete over making sure we're offering the best, most competitive price to our customers, combined with a customer experience that's going to allow them to have a good transportation experience and journey with their vehicle.
And I don't see too many people just buying a home online and not being able to talk to somebody. You want to be able to go in and talk to somebody. You want to be able to go and touch and feel and smell the car, before you purchase it. And without the franchise system, that most of that stuff goes away.
The majority of people that we work with in our dealerships every day, they have to get to a certain payment. They might have negative equity in their vehicle. They might have some damage on their credit report that we need to help them work through. We need to find the right lender to fit for their financial situation. A direct sales model or even an agency model is not going to best serve those customers who need an advisor to help them make sure they get the right payment and purchase.
The consumer is going to lose the power of negotiation, the power of relationship, the power of being able to just come in and to be able to speak with somebody.
We employ a lot of people in our dealerships, and while if a manufacturer was selling direct, there would still be some jobs, but a lot of those jobs would be consolidated into headquarters in Detroit or California or even somewhere outside of the United States. The functions such as accounting and reconditioning and the jobs that Virginians need in this state would not necessarily continue going forward.
When you look at COVID, we were prepared to sell vehicles to the public in a safe manner where no one else knew what they were doing. We were there and we were able to implement these changes. We were one of the first dealerships that really pioneered selling cars on the internet. When you look at technology for signing remotely, we were one of the first dealerships to do that. So it's that quest to be better that the franchise system has allowed us to do because we were able to do it on our own. And the people in our dealership is what makes us great. And it's not just one story that we have. There's hundreds of stories here of people who are starting their lives, people who are restarting their lives, people who are trying to get better. We open that opportunity up, and I think that's the most unique thing that we can do is provide opportunity.